You're listening to the sounds of DJ Colin.
There's a heavy blue
DJ Colin.